Hey, once again, thanks for checking our channel out. Here's something a little different than I've been putting on here the last few months. This is what we all started out with all this stuff that we do on our little homestead here. So here is my wife's reclaimed raised bed, raised gardens. We got these water troughs and stuff from different estate sales and things like that, and we filled them up full of dirt and plants. You don't have much time videoing when you're helping the wife. You don't have time for that. So you missed all the part about where I took the burn pile where we had burnt the brush when we cleared the property off over there, and I took the tractor. I filled these old water troughs up that we got full of that stuff, and then she put peat moss in it. Is that right?
Yeah.
And what else? Topsoil?
Yeah.
Peat.
Just the garden dirt.
Peat moss and garden dirt. And we got all this stuff over here to do. She's got watermelons for me to plant in my garden because I need my own. She's got tomatoes. She's got tomatoes. And what do you got over there?
This is the
Zucchinis. And she's got squash. And before you know it, it'll look like that over there, but vegetables. Bam. And our little raised bed garden got a little rain on it last night and this morning. So I think it's good. She's got all kinds of stuff in there. I couldn't even remember to tell you. I got tired and come in. There's onions and watermelons. I don't know how that's going to cross, but the girls will love the watermelons in there. And then she's come over here. And she's got some stuff in here too that she planted over here in her landscaping. And she got some up here in these pots here. She got to get a little more dirt for them. And she done it. I think the wife's done pretty good on her clearance aisle landscaping and her hand-me-down plants from my mom, Aunt Lottie, and different places like that. Her mom. I think it come out pretty good. Not too shabby for an old barnyard. Okay, I'm going to try to do a voiceover for my wife's little garden. See that wagon wheel? It was on the original wagon of my uncle's farm from the 30s or 40s, somewhere around in that. Most all of these plants that you see off in here and everything either come from her mom's house, my mom's house, or my aunt's house. That old building right there, that was a two-hole outhouse from where we tore down the log barn and built our house out of it. There's a swing for the girls. See that red and white glider sitting right there? That was a wedding gift from my mama and my papa Yarber from in the 20s. This is all the plants and stuff that was from my mom's and my aunt's and her mom's, like I said, old water troughs from the farm. And we just like to reuse everything. Thanks for watching.